Today, I will be showing you how I dyed my dark brown synthetic wig to a burgundy cherry cola color. So, let's get started. These are the iDye poly packets for synthetic fabrics, which I purchased at an art store. For this, I used half the pink, half the red, and later half of the black for the roots. I'll be using the green for a different video where I'm dyeing blonde hair olive. Here, I did a test strand to see how long the wig needed to be in the water to achieve the perfect color. And this is the result of my test strand being in the color for 10 minutes. To get the best color payoff, I left the wig in the dye for 35 minutes total. When you try this, definitely make sure to use the stovetop method because the hair needs to stay simmering the entire time for the dye to actually penetrate the plastic. If you just put it in a container or put it in a pot without actually keeping it hot the whole time, the color is not going to take and it's just going to roll right off the hair. And even though you have these tips, always make sure to read the manufacturer's instructions. And this is the result. I put a ponytail in so that I can dip dye the roots in the black dye. I only left it in for 1 minute at the halfway point and for 30 seconds where the scrunchie is located. That way I get sort of an ombre effect. So this is what it looks like after I dyed the roots and after I shampooed the wig. As you can see, the lace is completely black, so I took some acetone nail polish remover and poured it over the lace and just kind of dabbed away at it until the dye came out. Just a note, I am using 100% acetone. And don't mind the hole there, I just kind of ripped the lace while I was plucking away at the hairline. And these are the finished results. I absolutely love this cherry cola color for the fall. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.